Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the copy entities in the sketching. We are going to sketch the rectangle and select the copy entities. There are two options in the copy menu, from, to, and X and Y. First we have to select the entities or lines which we want to copy. We have selected the rectangle, and from this X and Y we can select the distance or a position on which position we want to copy this rectangle, and if the position is made, you can click the OK. The rectangle will be copied over here. The same command is running, and from X to Y, in the second case we have to select the start point of the rectangle. We will click on the any edge of the rectangle, and rectangle will be attached with the cursor. Wherever we will click, it will copy on that point, and we will click again. Again it will be copied, and at whatever number of time we want to draw it, it will be copied accordingly. It will end when you will press the escape button or OK button to end the command.